Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Very quick video just to let you guys know I'm starting a new YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is called Raquel the Curl Factory. So the YouTube channel, the Curl Factory, is soon kind of going to be, dormant for a while. I'm not going to be posting on there. I am going to be posting on the YouTube channel Raquel the Curl Factory. That's going to be the main channel. You might ask why. The reason is the Curl Factory is registered in a different country. I'm now in South Africa. It's affecting the monetization of my channel. It's affecting my cash, to be honest with you, because the Curl Factory is registered in a different country with the bank account in that particular country as well. So I need to bring everything over to South Africa, get my new channel monetized, put my banking details in there as well, because I am South African. I'm in South Africa at the moment, and even if I do move to another country, I always have access to my South African bank account. So I do need the monetization to move into my particular country of residence, because I'm always going to be a resident in South Africa. So please move over with me to Raquel the Curl Factory. I'm going to be posting on there as well. I appreciate everyone on the Curl Factory. You guys have been amazing and I've loved that channel, but I hope you can understand the reason why I'm moving over. If you do find that, I'm not posting on the Curl Factory YouTube page anymore, it's because everything is now moving over to Raquel the Curl Factory. I'm also going to be loading videos from the Curl Factory onto Raquel the Curl Factory to help build my channel as well. So all the videos that you've loved in the Curl Factory, you're going to find it on Raquel the Curl Factory YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And I hope you guys do understand that there's a new YouTube channel. I'm still going to be posting. I'm still going to be consistent. It's still going to be about healthy, natural hair. So join me over on that particular YouTube channel. Thank you so much to everyone on the Curl Factory. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the new channel. Bye.